Gucci sissy. It's yours truly, and I'm back at it again with another video. Now, if this wig looks familiar, it's because it is. I did review her on my channel, and I told y'all that I wanted to do another video on I was just doing a lot, so she's not really late like how she's going to be. But I told you I wanted to do like me curling her to see like what she withstands. Like, does this straight hair, you know, got body? So to remind you, if you've never seen this wig before, by the way, if you were wondering where I got this outfit from, girl, I got this whole outfit for like $10 at this place called Shoppers World. I don't know if everyone's like state or whatever has that, but that's where it's from. Real cheap. But this is a 26-inch lace front wig from ISEE Hair. Not icy, like icy, I-C-E-Y, not like that, but ISEE Hair, because I'm icy. So yeah, so originally I did do like, not an unboxing, but like the original, you know, wig, blah, blah, blah. If you want to see the first video on this wig, I will link it down below. But what I said I was going to do is I was going to come back and I was going to see how she curls. So that's what we're doing today. So we have my favorite curling wand, the one from Target. And we're going to put some big body curls in her. She does not have any layers because I want to keep all the length because she is really long. I did measure her and she came out to be basically a 28-inch, and it's supposed to be a 26. So thank you for the extra inches, sissy. Thanks. So now we're just going to, because the wig is not like a really super thick density, which is what I like, so it's not going to take us too long to throw some curls in her. Just some simple little big curls. These don't even come out like regular wand curls. I feel like if you do hair, or you know, you do your hair all the time, you know what I'm talking about when I say regular wand curls. This doesn't give you that, you know. This is a wand, but it doesn't give you that, and I think it's because of the actual, oh, this is hot, inch of the wand. So what I like to usually do, I've said this several times in my videos before, but I like to hold the curl until she cools because that ensures that it will last a little bit longer. I'm looking for my phone. I have no idea where my phone is. On my way over to go check my Instagram, I just posted a picture in this wig and I'm feeling it. Ooh, period. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Go follow me on Instagram if you don't already, because why not? So this is the first curl. Okay. I think I'm gonna do like 3 big chunks. So and I just like to hold the hair until I can feel the heat from the wand on the actual hair. Like, once it starts to get too hot, that means she's done, she's ready, she's set. And yeah, this style really, when I used to cheer, I used to throw really big curls and really big sections in the hair that I used to wear all the time. So like, this is like easy. Like, this is like what I do. basically this is what I do. Yeah, so I want to touch up the end, but I kind of just wanted to not even necessarily be curls, but I wanted to wave. We're really just testing out to see if the hair actually curls or not, because like I've said in previous videos, sometimes you do get straight hair that just like doesn't want to curl, and I'm not sure what that's really even about. What does that even mean? Ah, just touched the wand. What does that mean? Does that mean it's like not virgin? I'm confused. I never knew, or no one's ever told me like, what does that mean? You know? So, and I'm never like patient when it comes to my curls, so I definitely always run my fingers through her. Nice little wave. Nice little wave. I like that. Soft. Bland. Now if I wanted something tighter, I obviously would use a different, this is cute, a different, what is it called? size curling wand or curling iron, you could just change the size. Like I'm doing really big sections as well as really big sections, and I'm using a really big wand, so it is gonna give you this wave kind of look, which is what I kind of want. I kind of want like a beach wave vibe, you know, if you know what I mean. Okay, so I did complete the curls, and this is what she's looking like. The hair is super shiny. It ain't nothing in the hair, sis. This is just how she looks. So this is basically the look that I was going for, duh. And if you was wondering if she does curl, what does it look like? No, I'm just playing. But yeah, this is kind of just like an update slash does it curl kind of video on this actual unit. Yeah, because I like to experiment before you buy. I want to let you know what it can and cannot do. So if there is anything else you want to see from this wig, like what else can she do? I suppose I don't really know like what else I would do. But anyways, if you have any other suggestions on what you want me to see, me do with this wig, just let me know. And again, if you wanted, why am I stuttering? If you wanted to pick up this wig, everything on sis is gonna be down in the comment section. Bro, comment section. If I say that one more time in one of my videos, I'm gonna punch myself. Description box down below. And if you do pick up this wig, please let them know that Kiamani sent you. I actually don't know why I said that, but I do. And follow me on all my other social medias. Period. And on that note, I'll see you in my next video.